अच्छा आपको पीरियड्स होते हैं या सेल हैप्पी पीरियड्स करना उसके
Happy
साथ।
periods. Everybody needs to be a certain way on their periods. Everybody can feel happy on their periods. Hey, I don't want to.
And then we'll have, warriors like Barkha Dutt and Smriti Irani go and claim that, oh, why do you need a period leave? If this is how they are testing product.
There's so much push to try menstrual cup, and I did, and it was extremely painful for me.
Any two menstruators are not going to have the same experience when they get their period.
Yeah.
If you are an autistic menstruator, then there are additional challenges. Most basic demand is that allow people to experience their periods the way they experience it. Don't think that if your experience is positive, the other person is going to have a positive experience.
Hi, I'm Dev Rupa, and what I want to say is, as a person who menstruates, I don't want to wear white pants, go rock climbing, party with my friends, and make happy videos while I'm on my periods. नहीं करना है मुझे बस यार.
Hello everyone, I'm Shayuni. I'm a late diagnosed autistic woman living in India. It is high time for sanitary napkin brands to think beyond this happy period myth and actually start understanding what menstruation means. अगर आप एक inclusive product design करना चाहते हैं, तो without accounting for the experiences of autistic women and girls who also menstruate, आप एक complete product नहीं बना सकते हैं. और यही मेरे experiences as a autistic woman who gets her periods, I want to tell you the challenges that I face when I'm on my periods.
You know, I just started my periods today morning.
Oh damn.
Yeah, and it, like, because we're also like currently recording this, it made me realize like the amount of conversations that have started to exist on social media about menstruation, but how it sort of still excludes the struggle that autistic people face while menstruating.
Yes.
Like, I remember once somebody had asked me to review their brand's period panty and give like my very authentic feedback.
Okay.
And I did praise them, but I did talk about how like it didn't address like a lot of the sensory discomfort I faced as an autistic woman. And they were like, oh, we're not comfortable with this sort of like going out there.
I think the idea around menstruation is I think we've just started accepting that it's not happy periods like
Yeah.
people like to claim, and that experience not only is it any two menstruators are not going to have the same experience when they get their periods. And if you are an autistic menstruator, then there are additional challenges. I think that awareness is not there. Because when we talk about, like you said, sensory discomfort, right? So I, for the longest time, use normal sanitary pads, and then I switched to period diapers, those 360-degree panties, because I find them more comfortable. And I hate that feeling of when I wear a normal sanitary pad. I think I'm more aware of my discharge, and that really it just makes me very anxious. And period diapers actually they fare well for me. But the thing is that you cannot, the moment you start talking about period diapers on a social platform, you will have these eco warrior feminists coming and saying that yes, you're talking about periods, but you're not being a sustainable menstruator.
Oh my
you are you're adding to the pollution. So I think we've just made कि periods को भी एक एक तरीके से आपको experience करना है. Must be happy. If you want to do something different, you must also care for the environment. You cannot do it the way you want to do it.
Yeah, and it's like just an additional way of policing like our like the female bodies. I feel.
Yeah.
Like there's so much push to try menstrual cups, right? And I did, and it was extremely painful for me. And because I'm oversensitive to like all of these things, including pads, like I just like I feel it, and I feel it like moving around.
Yeah.
I feel like I can't work with that constant sort of, and you know how our moods sort of fluctuate when we are on our periods. And imagine like if I'm oversensitive to like something that's constantly touching my private parts. That's just, it's not a
I
happy
also feel that
feeling.
there are so many brands, launching new menstrual products pretty much
Yeah.
every day. I think some are even launching things that we don't really need
Yeah.
just to get money out of
Yeah.
you. They are launching. Lekin usme bhi I never see any conversation around this. That I have designed something that is going to deliver a better sensory experience. And
Yeah.
I'm not saying they're doing it intentionally. I'm saying that it is not even occurring to them during their market research that for some menstruators, such
Yeah.
as autistic women, the experience of just having that bleeding going on itself has more challenges because it
Yeah.
that it's a wet icky feeling.
Yeah.
It's itchy sometimes. You just don't like it. If you live in a humid hot area,
Yeah.
then there are additional challenges that
The
come with it.
chafing that happens.
Yeah, so
And
you kind of, I think the default assumption is ki I will just design something that will give you happy periods because I think that my
yeah, so
my
that you
the
can
product
go
will solve
out
all the problems.
wearing white pants and frolic around the city. And
Yeah.
it is so ridiculous because it just they never account for the struggles of autistic folks who are menstruating. It never features in like the list of things that.
True, and I think because of this idea that menstruation also has to be experienced a certain way. Even things like that, some menstruators have a very difficult time. They get severe cramps.
Yeah.
Okay, they throw up, or if you have existing mental health conditions, then they tend to flare up.
Yeah, there's premenstrual
Yes,
exacerbation.
so none of this is, nobody is taking the time to think about it.
Yeah.
And then we'll have, warriors like Barkha Dutt and Smriti Irani go and claim that, oh, why do you need a period leave? If मैं war के time पे चली गई थी कारगिल में एक कप सैनिटरी नैपकिन के साथ, तो तुम्हें क्या जरूरत है?
सबके बॉडीज अलग होते हैं यार, ये कौन समझाए इन्हें? And I have like actually I did an article on like how the sustainability push especially like makes you feel guilty on top of all the negative things you're already feeling around your periods.
Yes.
And I found out that so many women who have experienced sexual trauma, and given in the patriarchal world we live in, that's a lot of women, a lot of them don't like the feeling of like that menstrual cup inside. So it's not just autistic women, there are so many people who are uncomfortable with it, and you keep pushing the idea that everybody needs to be a certain way on their periods, everybody can feel happy on their periods. Hey, I don't want to, like,
and it should not, like, at the most basic demand is that allow people to experience their periods the way they experience it. Don't think that if your experience is positive, the other person is going to have a positive experience. And secondly, even within that little universe, think about people who have a, you can't even imagine, like I said, like, that wet feeling, it is so icky that I just want to sometimes tear my hair. लेकिन ये अगर मैं किसी को बोलूँ तो जो ऑटिस्टिक नहीं है और जिसको पीरियड्स होते हैं वो बोलेगी हाँ होता है बट यार एडजस्ट कर लो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट एडजस्टिंग. It's about just this, you can't even imagine how it feels on my skin, that it's a sensory issue for me.
Yeah.
And that has to become, there has to be, more autistic women who are menstruating. They need to talk about their experiences, and brands, menstrual health educators, public at large, they need to understand that this experience is, it has various shades, it has various layers.
I am sure like most people who menstruate might experience like that irritation, like that gross feeling. But what I'm trying to say is that it's like, a lot more frequent and a lot more intense for us. And I think one example that my partner gives while trying to, whenever like he's explaining how these chronic illnesses and neurodivergent conditions work, he always says that, everybody pees in a day. People might pee 10 times in a day, like normally. But if somebody is peeing 100 times in a day, then that is a problem.
Then it's just not it's just a natural bodily function.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही तो होना है, what are you expecting? कि इसमें भी दिक्कतें आ सकती है.
Exactly, and this is why so many people who experience dysmenorrhea, that is like a lot of excruciating pain during periods, they are also constantly told that अरे दर्द तो हम सबको होता था, हम
और फिर ये जजमेंट पेन किलर क्यों लेती हो?
हाँ,
अगर ये क्रैम्प तुमसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता तो बच्चे कैसे पैदा करो?
नहीं पैदा करने बच्चे मुझे नहीं.
और even the fact that maybe, you know, even if I want to deliver a bacha, maybe I want to opt for a epidural and go for C-section and have a painless delivery.
Absolutely judged.
It's like there's so many interconnected conversations here.
Yeah.
That and a large part of them disregard the experiences of autistic menstruators. And here I would really like to. I think that it's also because we don't have too many autistic menstruators sharing the specific challenges that they are facing.
That is true.
And once they start doing it, I would only expect the brands and educators to take that into account.
You know, I think that like I remember that I had been interviewed about my experience having periods as an autistic woman. I feel that because of the general idea that autism is a very masculine condition,
you're right.
Companies just absolutely disregard the fact that there are a bunch of autistic folks who experience menstruation and have to deal with it every month.
I mean, come on, Devrupa. It's only recently that I think there was a report where they say that they haven't really tested any of the sanitary napkins
with actual blood.
They have been using some fluid. So I think we are light years away
from
that way, in that room of decision makers. If this is how they are testing products, then the fact that, that can be specific challenges that some of the menstruators may be facing, we can only hope that those conversations begin.
Yeah, we can only hope, but I mean, honestly, I don't think it's going to happen in my lifetime, at least if I'm being realistic.
Yeah, but which is why I think it should be that, I'm very vocal about my struggles that I have, not only as a menstruator, but as an autistic menstruator.
Yeah.
And I think more and more, menstruators, as they keep sharing, people will at least know. I think currently it's an alien idea. What do you mean you have different challenges? Sabko periods hote hain.
Endometriosis, right? Like the diagnostic rate is so low and so many people are affected by it. Recently, they found out that even men can have endometriosis. I think this is a very recent headline that I saw like a week back or so. So, yeah, I think we also need to, as you said, like keep talking about our challenges just so that people are able to understand it as they have started understanding endometriosis, even though it is not enough, I would say. Endometriosis. So, according to the World Health Organization, endometriosis is a disease in which tissue similar to the lining of the uterus grows outside of the uterus. But I know ये बहुत scientific explanation है. And I'm not somebody who lives with endometriosis. So if you want to understand what endometriosis is, how it affects your life, day-to-day activities को कैसे affect करता है, कैसे like क्या असर करता है वो आपकी ज़िंदगी पे, तो I would urge you to follow a bunch of people who live with endometriosis who are very vocal about their struggles on social media.
And menstrual health is not a woman's issue.
Yeah.
It's a society. It impacts everything that is happening. So this, I think it also kind of nicely ties into the fact that it's not a taboo.
Yeah.
On the one hand, you are saying it's the most natural bodily function. कर रही हो. अगर इतना ही natural है तो आपको दिक्कत क्या है इसके बारे में बात करने की?
बात कर सकते हैं ना इस बारे में, लेकिन वो नहीं करनी है because solutions नहीं ढूंढने हैं.
Solutions नहीं ढूंढने हैं और the burden is on you. अच्छा, आपको periods होते हैं या सह लो. क्रैम्प है सह लो. पेन किलिंग मत खाना लेकिन सह लो. पैड हाँ है but happy periods करना.
Happy periods.